Welcome to the Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024 edition. We are in Zone 2 of the entrance of Nustar, where the opening started with the waves and then it transcends to the seas. And the third zone goes into the city. Watch us wow you into unique culinary ingredient, and from this ingredient the DNA is formed with the chefs. It's a chef-led festival where they're elevating Cebuano and Filipino cuisine. Take a look at all the stations. The stations are so phenomenal, and it also, I'm emotional because food as an emotional part of our journey as a Filipino, and really how people express their love is nikaon ka na ba? Or nikaon na ka? So come walk with me as you take a look at all the stations and determine for yourself you would have wished that you were here tonight.
Food is a big indicator and equalizer of showing us who we are, where we have come from, and today more than ever, and seeing everyone here, we now understand where it's going. The success of the Food and Wine Festival is the result of a private-public partnership between collaborative private sector and the Department of Tourism. We work hand in hand, aligned with the National Gastronomic Framework, to redirect and highlight our culinary uniqueness, our food.
I am delighted to join all of you this evening at the Cebu Food and Wine Festival as we mark this milestone in our collaborative efforts to elevate Cebu and the Philippines as a premier destination for food and wine enthusiasts from all over the world. Taste Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024 is a celebration of culinary excellence. The showcase of the rich and diverse gastronomic landscape and heritage of Cebu allows participants to immerse themselves in the vibrant food culture that this island, these 167 islands, that I, like you, am proud to call my home.
And our guests will be having their first bite, signifying the opening of Taste Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024 in 3, 2, and 1. Together, let's taste Cebu! There you have it, officially the start of Taste Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024.
So the dish we're presenting tonight is actually one of the favorite in Singapore. And then we have introduced it in our private dining in Davao, and then Davao loved it, like everyone. So yeah, so we decided to do it for Cebu, and then to make sure that we try to be as local as possible. We are using pickled radish with coconut vinegar, buko suka. Yes, we're using latok inside. And then also a mix of local seaweed that we chop inside the pasta. This dish is going to be surprisingly refreshing.
It is very refreshing.
And then there's a lot of different texture because you have the chewy of the pasta, and then the 𝗂𝗯 gonna burst. You have the crunchiness of the pickles, as well as we have sakura ebi, which is deep fried. So it's like a lot of umami flavor.
Oh, this is the first dish that I've tried tonight, and I'm so lucky because it's amazing. It's a burst of flavors. It's a cold pasta, and yet there's so many textures in it. And you can really taste the Philippines at the same time. Our ocean is in this dish.
will only choose lechon because it's very iconic, right? It's very Cebu. So my job is really to interpret it the way I want it. So what I did is that we cook the lechon the Cebuano way, and then we wrap it with, there's a leaf, we call it 𝗙𝗃. 𝗙𝗃 is a very medicinal plant. So it gives you that bitter-sweet flavor. So it matches really the fat, the herbal taste of lemongrass and the garlic of the lechon. It goes very well together, and it somehow elevated the flavors and texture. And that's the way I interpreted it. I'm a big lechon fan.
For Chef, you're no stranger to the Food and Wine Festival, right? How do you see its impact to the economy, especially in promoting tourism? How are
Well, in fact, it's very impactful. No? I salute the organizer, the chairman, of course, Kate, and the secretary, of course, was very easy do the anchoring. And I think she hit the target in really promoting, making tourism more relevant and known all over the world. She's putting Cebu's food, for example, the food as a main attraction, because food itself is a culture. So madaling ibenta ang food and the tourism. Let's take the case of the Thai, right? When you say Thai food, people will go for Thai food. But this time, the next food to be will be the next cuisine to be the Filipino food.
Okay, Sula Spirits is a Filipino liqueur, and Sula, it means jewel in Tagalog, or an item that shine. And we want to promote the Philippines with different flavors. For example, we're promoting the coconut of San Pablo, Laguna. Then with a different flavor like chocolate, promoting Davao. And also for coffee, promoting Benguet, Cavite, and Batangas, because you're using 3 different beans.
So we have distributors here, and we're also currently talking to getting into restaurants and different bars. So at least they can also purchase it online. We have Lazada, and we also have our website.
So this is a nori-crusted hamachi. We dehydrate the seaweed, blend it into a powder, then we crust our hamachi with it. It's served in a bed of romaine lettuce. It's dressed with local lime and soy vinaigrette. What else? It's topped with a lot of crunchy things, so there's a lot of texture. It's kasoy, some furikake, and some sunflower seeds. There's also some avocado for creaminess, and seasoned with asin tubuok. We just moved from Singapore to Davao recently, so it's only now we're trying to discover all of our local products. As you know, it's very hard to bring in imported products, and it's also expensive. We have a lot of great stuff. All you need to do is really taste it and know how to use it. Then it's gonna end up better than something that traveled for very long. So we have a lot of resources here.
And we feel that with this effort that is being done to elevate the quality of Filipino food overall and Cebuano food in particular, we really would be able to harness the potential of food tourism as one of the anchors of the overall Philippine tourism strategy. Ang akong gilamian pagmaayo, ang tanan.
When in stress or in duress, the answer is the champagne. In this wall is a call button with a switch. And and there you go, ladies and gentlemen, the grand finale. What a wonderful time to be here in Cebu Shores and to witness the opening of the Cebu Food and Wine Festival. Cheers, and please experience the 30-day festival all around the city. Follow Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024 to see the schedule of activities and events, and really participate in something that is community-based and chef-led. Amazing things await you in Cebu. Cheers.